Importance of SEO. Number 1. It needs to be on the top of search engines, which makes you more credible to the majority of users who click on the top 5 suggested websites given by the search engine. To take advantage of these and gain visitors to your website or customers to your online store, your website needs to appear at the top of search engine. Users trust search engines, and having presence on the top of search engines for the keywords that users search increases websites' trust. Search engine optimization will also get more users and provide a better user experience. Search engine optimization is not just about search engines but good SEO practices that improve user experience and usability of the website. Next, it can help you earn the competitive edge. SEO can put you at the head of the competition since your website is selling the same thing. The search engine optimized website is more likely to have more customers and make more sales. Lastly, search engine optimization has one of the best returns on investment in advertising. The reason for this is because SEO is an inbound marketing strategy. This is which allows you to make market your people when they are searching for the products and services your business provides.